presentation muna tayo ng inyong mga outputs from last time. Okay? So, tatawag ako dito ng Google Meet names nyo and then kindly present your Canva output from activity 1 and then tell us kung ano yung mga change nyo doon, ano yung ginawa nyo, how was the experience using Canva for the first time, or if it's not the first time, just tell us what your experience with your activity 1. Okay? Okay, so first, let's start with Sir RG Tapping. Okay, if I pronounce your names right, just tell me, just correct me so that matama ko next time. Okay, Sir RG Tapping. Okay, Photoshop yung ginamit ni Sir RG. Okay, next, ano na lang, for this activity, Canva na lang yung gamitin mo, Sir RG, okay? Sobrang advanced ka naman, Sir RG. Kasi yung Photoshop natin supposedly is on lesson 5, 6, 7, and 8 pa, okay? So, you create another activity today for our activity 2, but this time you will be using Canva, okay? What about Ma'am Caressa Cartasiano?
Hello, good evening. Am I audible po?
Yes. Yes po, we can hear you po.
Okay. So, wait lang po. Output ko.
Okay, kindly share your screen dito sa ano natin, sa meeting na natin, okay?
Okay. Can you see it now po?
Yes po. Yes.
Okay. So, for this theme, I use this logo or this human logo as a design. And this sides, you can see this that this is the Adobe system, if that's correct. So I got this theme kasi I just wanted to show them to our audience that we are welcoming this batch 54, which is mastering your skills in graphic design. So ito pong theme na pinili ko kasi this will be a catch sa mga audience na you can learn graphic design even sa Canva lang po, which is very basic tool para matuto po yung ibang tao for a basic skills that they can acquire for this kind of topic.
Okay, thank you so much, Ma'am Caressa. So, I like that nilagyan mo ng mga
Yes.
screenshot from Photoshop. So, na-indicate talaga ng tao
Yes.
na mag-aano sila sa
Okay,
Photoshop na to.
welcome.
Thank you, Ma'am Caressa. Okay, so next naman is Ma'am Kate Catherine Mahal Ocampo. Ma'am Catherine Mahal Ocampo. Okay, parang AFK ito si Ma'am. Okay, what about Glenn Erizari?
Hi, good evening.
Glenn Erizari.
Malina po. Yeah. Share
Hello,
ko
good
lang
evening.
screen.
Yes po, yes.
Okay. Sandali lang. Yan. Yan, nakikita na.
Yeah, sure po.
Yeah, yes. Yung
Yes po, yes.
ginawa ko
Nakikita na
is
po.
more on para clear lang yung design, malinis. And then, nilagyan ko lang siya ng background na mga professional na tao. And then, para ma-emphasize na yung goal ng course is more on paano ka mag-acquire ng skills. And then, nag-emphasize din ako nung hierarchy ng font, which is malaki yung batch mismo. It's because yun yung pinaka-main na subject niya. And then, yung nilagyan ko lang siya ng logo, and then, yung up your skills, nilagyan ko lang yung up ng just to emphasize na yung course is more on uh, paano mo i-enhance yung existing na skills mo if meron. Then, sa baba yung medyo maliit na siya. So, more on hierarchy, and then nilagyan ko siya ng border na white para magkaroon siya ng space. Parang hindi siya nakagilid or naka-center yung subject mismo. So, parang may border lang siya para ma-emphasize yung content mismo sa loob. Yun lang.
Okay, thank you for that po, Sir Glenn. Okay, so ang ganda-ganda naman ng mga presentations and ng mga designs nyo, no? Okay, next is Sir Graziel Padilla. Graziel Padilla. Sir Graziel Padilla. Parang AFK din siguro. Walang mic si Sir Graziel. Okay. Pwede po if walang mic at tawagin na lang kita ulit later on and then i-type mo na lang yung sa'yo, okay? Okay, ako na lang magbabasa dito. Okay, so type mo na lang later yung parang explanation mo sa output mo. Okay, what about Ma'am Ayan Ituhat? Ayan Ituhat. Yan. Okay, wala din mic. Okay, type nyo na lang din, okay?
Hi, Ma'am
What
Angel.
about
Good
Sir
evening po.
Isagani Cortez?
Yes po. Wait lang. Paano ko ba i-share?
Good evening po.
Okay pa.
Yung meron pong rectangle button na merong arrow up katabi
Select to
ng
share.
smiley, in between ng smiley na emoji and hand
Select
na
to
emoji dito.
Wait lang. Ba't hindi ko ma-share? Wait lang po. Select the tab to share.
Ba't hindi nyo po ma-share, sir? I-click nyo po yung tab ng ng Canva.
Nakikita na po? Wait lang. Open ko lang yung ano. Nakikita na po ba?
Ayan, nakashare na po. Yes po.
Wait.
Yung nakikita pa lang po namin is yung sa Google Meet lang po. Hindi pa po namin nakikita yung Canva or yung design nyo po. Ipunta nyo po doon sa tab ng nyo.
Nasa desktop ako. Kailangan ba entire screen? Wait lang.
Ano po yung shinare nyo? Yung tab lang or yung entire screen?
Entire screen.
Entire screen na lang po yung i-share nyo para mas madali. Kung ano yung nakikita nyo sa screen nyo, yun din yung makikita namin.
Nakikita na po? Yes po. Kumuha lang po ako ng, kasi
Ayan.
Canva is usually may mga template na siya. So kumuha lang ako ng basic na kailangan ko.
Yes po.
Pero ginawa ko siya sa Illustrator to. So, in-emphasize ko tatlong is skill ni Juan, tapos yung welcome batch 54. Then kung ano yung gagawing classes, it's graphic design. And then yung mga dates niya, it's given naman yung mga date ibigay ni Coach Says. Tapos yung live. And then yung ginawa ko lang parang nag-sponsor by Canva and Skill New One and Photoshop. Parang in-emphasize ko na sila yung nag-sponsor para sa mga itong batch na to. Parang yun yung ano. It's poster siya. A4 poster to medium poster. Pwede din siyang halimbawa for sa labas. So, pwede mo siyang i-print sa another sa advertisement sa labas para makita na. Thank you pa. Yes po.
Okay, thank you po, Sir Esagani. So, ang galing-galing nyo na
Thank
pala,
you.
no? So, yung isang, kanina, yung isang student, nag-Photoshop na, tapos si Sir, nag-Illustrator na din. Okay, wow, good job, guys. Okay, thank you, Sir
Wait lang po.
Esagani. Okay, next, what about Sir Jeff Cedric? Jeff Cedric Factor. Okay.
Malipat lang po ng account.
Hello, Sir Jeff? Sige, sure.
Thank you, baby.
Bagay, baby. Sir Jeff?
Ang ginamit ko po dito na color is green po and
Okay, ayun,
yung
kita
sa yellowish. And sa sides po niya is yung
Okay, Sir Jeff?
Palestine.
Okay.
And then ang naka-emphasize po dito is yung graphic design and yung batch 54 kasi yung welcome po. Yung sa color niya po, mas pinili ko po na itong yellow and itong green kasi po nagmamatch po yung color niya. Parang maganda po sa mata tingnan. Kasi mas lilitaw po yung yellow kapag dark yung background niya. Yun lang.
Okay, thank you, Sir Jeff. It's very Slytherin coded. Para siyang, I don't know if you're familiar with it, pero it's giving yung sa Slytherin ng Harry Potter. Especially the font as well and
Hello
yung
po,
mga
good
design.
evening.
Sort of magical. Okay, thank you for that, Sir Jeff. Okay, another great design. Next, we
Kita niyo na
have
po.
Ma'am
Ayan.
Maria Micaela. Maria Micaela Ordones.
Bali sa design ko, more of doon
Good
lang ako sa
evening.
QC na part. Nothing really na deep explanation about this one. Mas maano lang ako, yung dito gusto ko lang siyang maging cute lang tingnan. Ganun. And experimenting sa colors na not really common sa lahat. Like yung paggamit ng green and combination to blue. Ayun, yun. Then, the details, the usual lang din na sinabi ni Coach says na include, which is yung Welcome Batch 54 and emphasizing din kung ano yung para saan yung pag-welcome or kung ano yung pinag-aaralan. So, and other details such as the schedules and kung ano yung gagamitin during the training, which is yung Canva and Photoshop. So, yun lang naman. And other cutesy icons lang na ginamit. Experimenting lang din sa mga abstract shapes. Yun. Yun lang.
Okay, thank you for this one, Ma'am Maria Micaela. It's very
Hello
pastel.
guys, hello coach, good evening.
Like it's very
Share ko lang yung
It's very demure.
share ko lang po yung
Very cute to see. Thank you, Ma'am Maria. Okay, next we have Sir Mark Philip.
ayun, so yung akin is sa Canva ko ginawa as instructed.
Hello, good
So,
evening.
as you can see, napakasimple lang niya. Pero nag-focus lang ako dun sa principles, which is yung alignment, saka yung hierarchy, saka yung pag-emphasize ng welcome para just to deliver the message na welcome yung kung sino man yung gustong matuto ng Photoshop and Canva, and especially dun sa graphic design. So, naglagay lang ako ng image as parang pang-call ng attention, pero signifies yung progress ng kada estudyante as well as professional. So, yung font na ginamit ko rito is yung Futura, para napakasimple lang pero yet professional looking. So, same with the others, yung details na sinabi sa amin ni Coach. As well as yung importante lang is malinaw at nababasa. So, yun lang po yung sa akin. Thank you. Welcome po.
Okay, thank you po, Sir Mark Philip. So, simple pero direct to the point. Na
Hello
welcome,
po.
Batch
So, let
54,
me
and
share. Hello po.
kita din naman
Let
yung
me
lahat
share po
ng
my
details.
screen
Thank you,
saglit
Sir
po.
Mark Philip. Okay.
Screen.
Okay, next naman is si Sir Nico, yung ating number 1 reactor.
Kita na po.
Meron magpe-present,
Ano po,
nagre-react.
so
Kita ko
yung sa akin
nagre-react
kasi
si
parang
Sir Nico.
inspiration ko dito is parang carnival. I don't know kung,
Hello!
kasi parang I was playing dun sa font and hindi ko alam kung paano kasi laruin yung font dun sa typography. Actually, parang yun ang aim ko dito sa sana. Kaya lang di ko siya na-execute ng maayos. So, but yeah, yun yung inspiration mo, carnival. Tapos yung parang old MS Paint vibe na parang sa mga school, pag nakita mo yung mga infographics nila dun sa mga wall, parang gano'n yung yung inspiration ko. So, I don't know. Pero yun. Tapos yun, yung mga, sabi nga nila, yung mga elements, like kung ano yung mga gamitin natin na software, and then kung sino yung nagpo-provide nung service, yung skill ni Juan nga. Tapos kung ay, hindi ko pa nilagyan ng, alam ko may schedule to. May schedule. Yung schedule, yung schedule na every Monday, 8 to 10 p.m. And then live, tsaka saan siya ginagawa. Google Meet. Yan. Yun po. Thank you po. Thank you po.
Okay, thank you, Sir Nico. So, I like it, na parang every element nito is parang naging 3D kasi nalagyan mo ng, parang shadow effects. Okay, that looks good. Okay, thank you, Sir Nico. Okay, that looks really good as well. Okay, meron pang magjo-join. Okay, wait lang. Ayun. Okay, next is Sir Noel Giva. Kaka-join lang ni Sir, tas siya agad yung tatawagin. Ikaw kasi yung kasunod ni Sir Nico, Sir Noel Guevara. Okay? Hi Sir Noel, ako pala yung sub-coach for this session tonight. I'm Coach Angel, and before we proceed to our lesson 2 discussion, so muna kami, nag-review ng mga outputs niyo from last week. Okay, do you have an output, Sir Noel Guevara? Yung welcome poster. Okay, can you share it to the class and then tell us what you've added, what are the elements you've used, ano ba yung parang theme mo, and then how did you feel, or how was the experience using Canva? Okay, kindly share your screen. Yeah, sure, no problem. You can still share your screen using phone po. And din, maa-access mo din naman yung Canva mo sa phone. So, no worries. Sir Noel? Okay, Ma'am Gracial na lang tayo. Ma'am Gracial, can you share your screen po? Ma'am Graziel Padilla. Ako na lang magbabasa nung sir pala. Ako na lang magbabasa nung Share niyo po muna yung screen niyo, Ma'am Graziel. Ma'am Graziel? Hello, guys. Ayun. Nagka-share na si Ma'am Graziel. Okay. Welcome batch 54, Monday 8 to 10 p.m. Live stream. Ayan, may skill ni Juan, may Canva, may Photoshop. Okay. So yung design is yung sa awareness na we're in this class, and with Coach says. So, na-highlight lang ni Ma'am yung important information and a bit of design. hindi na in-emphasize yung design masyado, para hindi masyado makain ng design yung details, okay? But of course, nagput ng design na related sa main topic, which is itong sa laptop. So, yung design natin is naka 3D silang lahat. Okay? And then, main topic na information para sa isang tingin pala ng viewers is alam na ang main content ng poster. Okay, so, ayun na, makikita natin yung meron pang mga color wheels dito and yung sa text. Okay. Ayan, that looks very cohesive and nice as well. Ma'am Graziel, ma'am or sir, nalilito ako kasi yung ano nyo po, yung profile picture parang lalaki, pero yung name is parang babae. So, I'm so sorry if nagsisir and ma'am ako minsan. Okay, thank you po, ma'am or Sir Graziel.
Hi, good evening,
Okay,
ma'am.
so next naman is
Yes,
si R. Ramos. R. Ramos. Ayun, parang
Okay.
ano,
Okay.
AFK. What about Rainier Navarro? Hello, good evening.
Hello, can you hear me?
Ayun, nag-open mic na si R. Ramos.
Good evening, everyone.
Okay, si
Mine is
Sir
just
R.
pretty
Ramos na lang
simple.
muna yung unahin
It's
natin
just
si Rainier. Okay lang ba?
basic information
Okay.
that's needed. And
Okay, Sir
I
R.
just wanted
Ramos,
to
can you
make
share
sure
your
that,
screen?
the information that I want to spread is visible. And then I just picked a dark background with, of course, the information being a little bit bigger and
Yeah.
brighter
Hello
in the
po. We can
background.
hear you po, yes.
So it's readable. But I just kept it pretty simple right now. I didn't try to use any other programs or software since I'm trying to learn, how to use Canva. So I just kind of scroll through everything just to see what's in there. But for me, I'm used to using like Illustrator. So oh, sorry. I'm in the States, so my days are kind of
Okay, thank you po. Yung tanging input ko lang na masasabi is, but Saturday po yung sa inyo. Monday po yung ano natin, yung schedule sa batch 54.
Hi, good evening. I just uploaded.
Monday po tayo, sir. Baka sa Sabado ka mag-ano. Monday po tayo ngayon. Okay. Okay, thank you po. Okay, so next naman is si Sir Rainier Navarro.
Yeah, ginawa ko yun sa Canva to. Then I used complementing colors.
Not yet pa po.
Sinunod ko lang yung mga
Wala
sinabi
pa
ni
po
Coach
kami
Cess
nakita.
na make it like simple, and just included the logo of Canva and Photoshop. Yun lang, Coach.
Ayan, kita na po namin.
Alright.
Okay, thank you po, sir. Okay, ayun. We have all the details here. Okay. Okay, lesbian pala si ma'am. Thank you po, Sir Rainier. Okay, another really good design. Okay, so, kay Ma'am Graziel, any lesbian pala si Ma'am Graziel. Okay. Ma'am RG, yes po, pwede po kayo mag-present kahit walang mic. Titingnan, i-check na lang namin, and if you have your description, you can type it in here na lang. Okay? Okay, you can present now po, Ma'am RG. Okay, next na Ma'am RG is si Sir Ralion Kaseha. Paano? Yung pag-present po is, yung present now, yung meron tayong rectangle button dito na may arrow up inside of it. That is in between the smiley and the raise hand button. Okay, nakita niyo na po ba, Ma'am RG? Sir RG pala, sorry. Sir RG po pala. Hindi pa po namin na-represent. Okay, ayan na. Okay. Okay, so, Facebook ang template na naisip. Okay, so parang nasa ano na tayo, nasa Facebook na tayo mismo. Okay, with all the with all the URL. Okay, facebook.com/skillnihuan. Okay, kasi of course, 'di ba, sa Facebook din naman yung main advertisement namin sa Skill ni Juan. Doon yung nakita yung ads namin, whether sa video or yung sa posters namin. Okay? And within this platform, pwedeng matuto ng Canva and ng Photoshop. Ayun. So, we had the Photoshop, PSD, and the Canva. Okay. And can chit-chat and share knowledge with other participants. So, kaya yung tao natin, merong icon na nagsasalita. Okay? Color palette used is blue and white from Facebook. And naglagay ng tao na participant. Okay, so Photoshop po ginamit ko kasi wala ako mahanap na template na Facebook Touch. Okay. Okay, it's totally fine po. It's totally fine. Okay. Thank you, Sir RG. Okay, type na lang din kay Aurelion. Okay. What about Una Valencia? Una Valencia.
So,
Okay, open niyo po yung microphone niyo para marinig din
the
po
main
namin.
thing I had in mind here was like, since you said like it can be anything, I decided to take it a bit too literally and make it based off like some sort of video game. Wait, am I even audible? Ouch, kasi parang ko I forgot I didn't turn on the mic.
Wow, ang cute naman. Para siyang ano. Ano? Ayun. Okay.
Hmm? No po.
Yeah. Yes po, yes po, yes po. Account nyo din po ba ito, Ma'am Sheena? Or hindi? Verify. Sino po tong Ona Valencia? Hindi po
Thank you,
kayo safe
ma'am.
ni Ma'am Sheena. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Okay. Okay, so yung ano natin, ang ganda-ganda. So, para siyang yung sa ano lang, diba? Yung sa mga Super Mario na games. Okay, may pa-start, and then, yung mga icons, and then yung Photoshop, yung Canva, and yung Google Meet. Okay. Wow. Okay, thank you for this po, Ma'am Una Valencia. Okay, ang ganda-ganda ng mga ano nyo, guys. Okay, ng mga outputs. Okay. Okay, nalito ako, Ma'am Sheena, at Ma'am Una. Okay, what about Ma'am Sheena? Menu mic po, yun na ibang device po. Okay lang po kahit na ibang device yung gamit nyo. Okay, makaka-present na po ba kayo now, Ma'am Sheena? Wala dito. Okay, no worries. Okay. So, can we now proceed to our lesson for today? Are we now all good? Okay, so, first I want to commend you guys. So, all of your designs were great. So, I'm looking forward to our next activity. So, our activity for today is we are going to create a carousel. Parang carousel poster siya. Okay? So, may sinend ako sa GC. Parang ito siya. Ayan. Okay? So, as you can see, ayan, new burger chub. So, 2 images siya, pero, isang ano lang yan siya, kumbaga, isang image lang yan pagkagawa natin sa Canva. We will split that equally, so gagamit tayo ng ibang website for that, para yung pag-post natin sa Facebook, kumbaga, is 2 image siya, pero pag nakikita mo is parang ano lang siya, continuous lang siya. Okay, so carousel yan, pwede tayong makagawa niya ng 5 continuous, pwede ding 4. So, but before that, so this time, 2 lang muna yung gagawin natin, okay? So, parang 2 pages lang sa 1080 by 1080. Okay. Punta muna tayo sa ating Canva. Okay, ito yung sample na food poster na gagawin natin today. Okay? So, yan yung mga ano natin. Okay, ito muna. Okay, ito yung sample sa food poster na gagamitin, na gagawin natin. Okay? So, as you can see, itong food poster natin, we have the new burger chub. Okay. So, ano ba yung nandito sa poster natin? So, syempre, andyan dapat kung ano yung ina-advertise natin na pagkain. So, ano bang ina-advertise natin? Yung burger chub. So, syempre, yung ilalagay nating picture, it should be presentable. Yung pagkatingin mo pa lang is, syempre, gusto mong bumili niyan. Diba? Kasi nakakatakam. And then, dapat yung ano din natin, so I don't know if napapansin nyo, pero when you go to a restaurant, ang laking factor ng font ng menu in their, yung sa pag-print nila. Kasi mayroong mga font na hindi siya ganun ka nakakatakam. Kumbaga, so, just last Saturday, we went to a restaurant by the beach, in Mati City. And then, masarap yung food nila, kaso, nahihirapan kami sa pagpili na. Kasi yung pagka-layout niya, ang dami-daming food menu na parang ang daming pagpipilian na siniksik nila in just one page. And hindi siya masarap tingnan. Okay? Kasi wala namang picture. yung font na ginamit is hindi pa nakakatakam. So, we just ordered kung ano yung parang familiar na sa amin, but when it got to our table, it was looking delicious, it was so yummy. So, yung ano lang, yung parang lesson learned is font pa lang, font-wise, dapat yung pipiliin natin is nakakatakam. Okay? So, and then, ano pa bang mga details natin dito? Of course, we should have a call to order. A call to action. Call to order. Call to action na parang tagline or words. For example, order now. Or call us now. Or parang send us a message now. Okay, grab yours now. Okay? Kasi parang sinasabihan natin ang audience kung ano bang dapat nilang gagawin. Okay? So, in this poster, yung sinasabi ko dito is, order na kayo. Okay? And then, ano pa ba? Details. Of course, saan ba kami pwede mag-order dito, coach? Saan ba ito pwedeng bilhin itong Burger Champ? So, we have their Facebook page, which is Burger Champ number 1. And, yung location din nila is sa Sugbo Mercado, Lahog IT Park, in ground floor. Okay? And they also have their phone number. Okay? Aside from that, what else can you put in there? So, pwede nyo ding lagyan no mga, itong mga circle or usually parang ano yan sila. Merong thumbs up or yung best price or 100% natural or buong-buo na tuna belly or mouth-watering, yung mga gano'n na parang graphics. Okay? And one more thing is your tagline, kumbaga. Okay? So, anong tagline natin dito sa poster na to? Itong mas pinalaki at mas pinasarap. Okay? So, pinaliit natin yung mas pinalaki at mas pinasarap para ma-emphasize na malaki talaga yung buns natin, kumbaga. Okay? So, and yun din, as much as possible, dapat yung pagka-color natin is nagre-reflect to each other and then dapat visible siya and nakikita siya. Okay? Okay, now let's go kung paano yan gagawin. Okay? Ayan. Okay, so first, of course, ano ba yung ano natin dito? Yung dimensions. So, yung dimensions natin dito is 2160 by 1080 kasi dalawang square yan siya. Okay? And then, dapat, yung yung poster is, they should stand on each of their image. Like, hindi siya maganda tingnan kasi like, for example, meron din kasing mga bad carousel na editing, especially pag photographers kayo and nagka-carousel editing kayo. Okay, I will give you an example. 4 na partitions ng picture. So, may partition na putol yung kanyang ulo. So, pero, when you look at it in the bigger picture, yung sila 4, maganda siya tingnan. Kasi, connected to each other naman. Pero, yung isang image lang is putol yung ulo. Di ba, if you look at it on that one image, di ba, medyo weird siya tingnan na putol yung ulo? Okay, so dapat hindi ganun. Dapat, kahit na for example, tingnan natin dito sa image natin. Okay, new Burger Champ, order now. Okay, so yung naputol na fries dito, awkward ba siyang tingnan o hindi? Is it awkward? Meron bang details na naputol or na dapat makita pero hindi siya nakita dahil naputol sa graphics natin? Meron ba? Does it stand on its own? Okay, yes. Walang hindi siya awkward. And then, nakikita din natin, hindi siya putol. What about the other one? Okay, nakikita din natin whole yung burger. Meron tayong nakikitang tagline. Tapos, meron pa ditong best price. Okay? visible lahat, hindi siya awkward din tingnan. Okay? So, dapat yung mga image natin ganyan. Okay? What you want to avoid is, for example, ayan. For example, yan. Yan yung i-avoid natin kasi hinati natin yung burger para nasa both images siya. Pero, medyo awkward na dito kasi andito yung details and then dito yung wala. Okay? Dapat, nagsastand yung example din dito. Ito, Canva template lang to na pinresent ko din last time. Okay? As you can see, nagsastand naman dito yung first image, delicious sushi. It's time to try our sushi and then my location, my phone number. Pero, yung isang image niya, hindi naman siya awkward tingnan, pero wala masyadong details. Okay? Meron lang siyang sushi na nakalagay and wala na, yun lang. Okay? Much better if, kumbaga catchy pa rin siya kahit sa isang image niya. Okay? So, katulad dito, nung sa first example natin na meron siyang image, pero meron pa siyang other details. Okay? That's what we should try to do in our posters. Okay? Okay, so yun yung kumbaga design principles wise. Now, let's go to technicalities. Okay, so ano ba itong mga pinaglalagay ko dito? Okay, so first, our image. So yung image natin, saan natin makikita dito sa elements natin. So yung ginawa ko is, kasi burger yung gusto ko, di ba? So, nag-search ako ng burger dito. Okay, and then we have the photos. Hanapin natin, ayun. Ito yung ginamit ko na photos. Okay, let's add it here. Okay, ano yung kaibahan nila?
Yung filter.
What can you observe?
Filter.
Ano ba yung kaibahan ng burger na to sa burger na nandito sa poster ko? Ano yung kaibahan nila? Ano po? Okay, yung background niya. So, kapag naglalagay tayo ng mga ganyan, okay, pwede nating, kasi dito I don't like the background niya na black yung background. Kasi gusto kong parang lumulutang siya. So, what I did is, we have the background remover here. Okay? So, I use that. If you have the Canva Pro, you can do that. Okay? What else? Okay, kinuha ko na yung background. Bakit hindi pa din siya same? Ano pa yung ginawa ko dyan? Okay, yung filter. Okay, nilagyan ko ng filter. Bakit ko nilagyan ng filter? Kasi 'di ba, ano nga yung gusto nating ma-achieve when we create our poster? Dapat matakam yung audience. So, in this picture, maganda na siya tingnan, pero medyo, medyo plain siya. Hindi siya ganun ka, sarap ng cheese. Okay, so what I did is, nilagyan ko ng filter. In-edit ko ng filter dito. So, tingnan natin ano yung nilagay kong filter dito. Ayun, yung filter ko dyan is itong bronze. Okay? So, and then yung intensity niya is, naka 100 talaga yung intensity niya. So, in this one, so, masaturated siya. And then, parang kang, kumbaga ba, fresh from the, from pagkakaluto talaga. Okay. What else? Kasi gusto ko, di ba, yung, syempre, di ba, yung burger is mainit and parang, medyo smoky siya. Okay? So, what I did is, I also added this, parang smoke na layer na nasa likod. Okay? So, to check, kasi di ba hindi ko na ma-access dito. Paano natin yan siya ma-access coach? Okay? Para ma-access natin yan, we have here the position. Okay? Click natin yung position. So, you can use this one para sa alignment as well. Okay? Dito nyo ma-check. For example, lang natin yan ha. Okay, this one. Paano natin ma-check if nasa middle and center ba siya? Ayan. Okay? Hindi mo na makiklik, which means it's already in the center and in the middle. Okay? So, these are also helpful. So, sa layers naman, we have that in here. Okay? Ayun, hanapin natin yung parang smoke effect. Ayan. So, yan yung smoke effect na ginawa ko. So, pero, paano yan, coach? Parang, paano siya magiging smoke effect? Kasi yung image na yan is hindi yan siya smoke effect talaga. So, what I did is, I also played with the transparency. Okay? So, paglaruan nyo din ito kasi it would be also helpful. Okay? So, this time, kasi pag naka 100% siya, diba? Yung vibes niya is hindi siya nakakatakam. Yung vibes niya is parang pumunta kang barbecuehan, tapos ang daming usok. Diba? Ganun siya. So, para magbigay siya ng gusto kong effect na medyo ano lang siya, parang smoky effect lang. So, what I did is, binabaan ko yung transparency niya. Okay? So, di ba, for this time, ano lang siya, parang subtle lang na usok na nakakatakam lang na usok. Di ba? So, yan yung ginawa ko. Okay. So, what else? So, ito yung mga details na naman yan. Wala akong masyadong mga nilagay dyan. Okay? Yun lang. Huwag niyong kalimutan yun ng mga details. Okay, what else? Okay, dito sa burger chomp ko. Okay? As you can see dito sa layer, di ba plain lang siya na orange na burger chomp? Okay, paano yan, coach? Bakit yan naging parang glowy siya? Okay, yung glowy something dyan is ito. Okay, wait. Okay, yun talaga yung namuno. Okay, move na lang natin to. Okay, as you can see, di ba parang ano siya, it's not giving the vibes that I want. Kasi di ba gusto ko nga yung parang a smoky effect, and then gusto ko yung parang nagre-reflect yung sa burger, and then parang nagre-reflect siya dyan, na parang nag-glow siya something. So, how can we achieve that? So, I tried here sa effects. And then, yung neon niya dito is, ganyan siya. So, pag ganyan, it's very light din naman. Parang, hindi ko din gusto. Kasi it's very light lang siya. Kaya, what I did is, I combined them. So, dinuplicate ko yan siya. And, yun yung ginawa ko. So, as you can see, hindi na siya sobrang light, 'di ba? So, andun pa din yung buong ano niya, yung buong orange na burger chomp. And then, sa likod lang niya, andun na yung glow. Okay? So, what do I mean by it? So, ibig sabihin lang dyan is if you want to achieve a certain effect and hindi nyo magawa sa iisang effect, do not be afraid to merge effects, to duplicate your elements para parang kumbaga maghalo-halo siya, 'di ba? So, meron din ako nakita na may gumamit ng effect nun kanina, yung pagantong effect. Wait lang, I forgot sino yun yung gumawa nun. Okay, so ito din pala, paano yan naging naging curve dito sa mas pinalaki at mas pinasarap kasi I made it in a curve na sa bun, right? So, paano yan? Andyan din yan sa effects pa din yan. Okay? Sa pinakababa, we have the curve. Kaso lang, sa Canva, very limited lang yung curve natin. Paganyan or paganyan lang. Okay? So, in the future, sa Photoshop, you can do as much as you can. Okay, zero mo na natin. So, mayroon ako nakitang gumamit ng ganitong effect kanina sa Canva. Okay, dinuplicate niya. I-dinuplicate niya, and then yung ginawa niya is, yung effects dito is nakahalo. Okay? And then, ganyan siya. And then, yung position is dapat nasa likod ito ng burger. Ayan. Hindi ka masyadong kita, so let's make it white.
Thank you.
Okay. Hindi na nakikita yung sa position. Parang hindi din siya nakikita. Even din natin ito. Okay, so sinong gumamit ng ganitong effect sa first activity nyo? May nakita kong ganyang effect yung pagkagawa. Okay? So again, that's really good. Try to merge effects as you want. So if hindi siya na-achieve in one layer lang, do not be afraid to duplicate your
Orange,
elements
red,
and
at
then
white.
mix and match nyo kung ano yung
Orange, black, red.
what you think is better. Okay? So sino nagawa ng effect na
I
to?
see.
May nakita ako kaninang gumawa ng effect na to. Okay. So, Ma'am Caressa pala yun. Ayun. That's a really good one as well. Ma'am Caressa, okay? Nagbibigay siya ng parang, it gives fun to your design. Okay? Ayun. Ano pa ba yung transparency and then yung color din. Okay? So, as you can see, yung color palette ko, ano yung color palette ko dito? Give me the 3 main color palette that I have in here. Yes po, this is recorded po. Ma'am Griziel, recorded po. Okay, ano yung 3 main palette ko dito? Yung colors ko. Okay, white or black? Okay, orange, red, and black. Kasi yung background ko is black. Para kitang-kita yung, yung burger. Okay? So, black siya kasi parang parang yung sa, yung mga advertisements usually ng mga food, tas biglang lilitaw with the smoke effect and all. So, kaya black yung background natin. And then, medyo orange, nasa orange na yellowish kasi, yun yung cheese and yung buns natin. And then, red, which is still nakikita natin sa font color and nakikita natin sa food. Diba? So, yung ginamit ko sa new is yung color ng red. Okay? So, this is really also a good color combination kasi yung mga colors na to, sinasabihan kasi yung brain natin na, nagugutom ka. No? Sa color psychology, kahit hindi ka naman gutom. Diba? So, ayun, color theory then and color psychology, it's very important on how we create our posters, okay? So, kasi din naman, parang hindi ka naman matatakad kung yung burger mo, diba, naka-black and white or naka-gray yung pagkakulay, right? So, that's why you also use the colors na kasi food poster yung gagawin natin, ha? Pero, yung whatever food you want, hindi siya limited sa burger lang. Okay? Maybe yung gusto nyo is donuts or lollipops or whatever as long as it's a food. Okay? So, huwag kayong muna. So, one thing na pwede nyong gawin pero pwede nyo namang ilibas is, and hindi ko din involve dito sa poster natin, is yung paglagay ng brand. Okay? So, hindi ko kayo ipe-pressure kasi ibang din yan, ibang topic din yung branding. Okay? Baka sa paghanap ng logo pa lang mahirapan na kayo. So, don't worry about that, guys. Yung importante lang is paano yun ma-upload? Wait lang po. Wait lang, Sir RG. Okay, yung size, pinakita ko po kanina, ito yung size natin. Okay? 160 pixels by 1080 para maging 2 square siya. Okay? So, ayun. Technical-wise, may questions pa ba kayo? Or wala na? Okay, based dito sa ating poster. Okay, kasi if wala ng questions, magpo-proceed na tayo paano ma-upload and mahati sa 2. Okay, do you have questions? Okay, wait lang pala. Para para hindi kayo mahirapan, kasi diba I told you, it should stand on its own sa picture 1 and sa picture 2. para meron kayong border dito na mag-indicate asan yung first
Pwede
image
pinapatayo
and
yan.
second
I mean,
image.
yung
Click dito sa
pinaka-picture.
settings, show rulers, and guides tayo. Wait lang, clear ko muna yung guides. Ayan. So, pag gagawa kayo, pag create kayo ng new project with this dimension, wala yan siyang guide agad. So, what you're gonna do, go to settings and add guides. So, pag i-click nyo yung guides, yan yung lalabas. Diba? Ang daming guides. So, what you're gonna do, click dito sa custom. So, sa custom natin, yung columns natin
Ma'am, sorry.
dalawa lang. And then, yung gap niya
Ayun.
is
Yung pag-ano po ng
0
mga
and
images,
0.
mga pictures,
Okay.
lahat po
Okay.
ba sa
So,
Canva
yan
lang
yung
or po pwede
mangyayari.
kang
So, 2, 0,
kumuha
0,
sa
0,
ibang
and then the
sources?
rest. Okay?
Tanong
Then,
ko lang.
add time. And then, yan na. Meron na siyang partition na makikita nyo na kung ano yung first image and second image. So, sa pagde-design pa lang yan. Okay? Okay, wala na bang questions?
Okay po. Thank you.
Pwede din siyang patayo, kaso, pag mag-a-upload kasi tayo sa Facebook, tapos dalawang picture lang siya, hindi kasi siya up and down yung partition niya. Okay? Naka-square-square kasi yan. So, kaya yung gagawin natin is pa-landscape. Okay? Okay. Anything else? Aside sa pag-split nito. Okay. So, let's go naman. Yes po, Sir Mark. Pwede kayong kumuha sa ibang sources, no problem. Pwede kayong kumuha sa ibang sources, i-upload nyo lang dito, okay? Pwede kayong mag-upload dito sa ayan, dito sa Canva. I-upload nyo lang dito, upload files nyo lang, okay? Okay. Does the center line, where the division, it has to be dead. Yes po, kailangan talagang naka-center talaga siya. Okay? Itong center, kasi itong partition niya, ito yung parang violet na color sa Canva. Yes, dapat naka-center yan para alam nyo kung asan yung first image and second image. Okay? And then, paano yan? Okay. Yun po ba yung question nyo? Ramos? Okay, ayan. Yun lang yung purpose niya. Pero pag i-upload nyo yan or i-export nyo yan, naka-isang picture pa yan siya. Okay? So, pagka-share natin dyan, upload natin yan, right? So, naka-isang picture pa siya. So, how do we split it? Okay, so, dito natin i-split yan. Okay? We're going to select our file here. Okay? So, wait lang. I-download ko lang muna ulit ito. Okay? Download natin yung first image lang. Ayan. So, yung naka-download na dyan is iisang picture lang. Okay. So, dito na naman tayo. Dito tayo sa split image online. Okay? So, select file natin dito. Tingnan natin sa downloaded natin. Ano ba yung downloads? Ayun. Ito yung food poster natin. Open natin. Ayan, so na-download na siya. And how to split it? We're going to split it vertically and then vertically by the number of blocks and quantity niya is 2. Okay? And then process and download and then pagka-download yan, yung magiging resulta niyan is yun ang sinend ko sa group chat. Okay? If you have one picture that is bigger, wait. If you have one picture that is bigger than the other, so that one picture. Hindi po yan mangyayari if, hindi kasi natin yan siya mano-manong ika-crop. Okay? I-upload natin yan dito
Maganda
sa
po sa akin, ma'am.
image
Thank you.
splitter.
Okay.
Okay? Ito yung naka-share screen ko.
Clarification.
Para equal
Any
yan siya
any food,
ma-split.
right?
Okay?
Excel mo kasi donut, copy. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so I
Thank you
will
po.
be sharing the website now dito sa ating group chat. Okay? Sasend ko sa group chat natin. Yung image splitter, and then kung ano din yung options niya para malaman nyo paano i-split. Okay? And then after nyan, process and download na lang, and then send yun na kaagad sa group chat. Okay? Okay, ano pang question dito? Okay. Okay, so that would be all for our carousel food poster activity and lesson for today. Okay, do you guys have any question? Baka meron pa kayong question, feel free to ask. Okay, wala na?
Thank you po.
Okay, going
Thank you po.
once, going twice. Wala na ba talaga? Sorry.
Thank you, Teacher Angel.
Yes, Sir Nico. Yes. Yes, any food, any food. Pwede ding beverage, ha? As long as nasa food industry siya.